from the streets to the skies and everywhere in between. Meet this compact aerial intelligence tool, the Anafi UKR drone from Parrot. This UAV is fast, smart, secure, and ready when it matters most. Unveiled at the 2025 Paris Air Show, this drone brings cutting-edge features to public safety, emergency response, and government use. It's lightweight, weighing only about 2 pounds, and it can be deployed in under 2 minutes. You can use it for search and rescue in a collapsed building, chemical spill assessments, crowd monitoring, or perimeter security. It provides real-time visual intelligence even when infrastructure is compromised or GPS is denied. It features a dual optical and infrared camera sensor with 35 times zoom. That means you can identify vehicles or even people from over a mile away. In terms of range, you'll get about 3 miles with Wi-Fi or just over 12 miles with LoRa or long-range radio. You can also get 5G to get unlimited range with the proper BVLOS waivers for those in the US. You can fly for 38 minutes, cover 14 miles, and fly up to almost 3 miles with this drone, all while staying steady in rain, dust, or wind. The Anafi UKR doesn't rely on the cloud. Its onboard AI handles obstacle avoidance, object tracking, and intelligent flight. Optical navigation and embedded neural networks allows this drone to adapt on the fly regardless of the conditions. All data is stored locally, encrypted end-to-end, and not shared to the cloud by default. It is Blue UAS listed, offering full data sovereignty and cybersecurity for critical operations. And the rugged Skycontroller with FreeFlight 8 put total mission control in your hands. With touch and fly mode, real-time streaming, and an open SDK for custom tools and integrations. The Anafi UKR Gov drone from Parrot, where real intelligence takes flight. And for all the latest updates on all the latest drones, don't forget to like and subscribe. Grab yours today with the link in the description below. And thanks for watching.